Ramadan has come to an end and now it's time for us to prepare for Eid. Let's make some Eid chicken stew. So puree your vegetables and put them into a pot for reduction. Add some bay leaves to your chicken, garlic, ginger, onion, and your spices, rosemary, coriander seeds, and anise seeds. Add a little bit of water to your blender and blend until you have a smooth puree. Add some sea salt to taste and our trusted kitchen companion, Maggi shrimp seasoning cube. Sprinkle that in and don't forget to add some water into your blender cup and pour it back into your pot. There's no wastage in this kitchen. While that's cooking, let's have a look at our reduced tomatoes. You want it to be on the thick side and for it to be less watery. Into a pot, add some oil and proceed to fry your cooked chicken until golden and crispy. Remove it from the oil and go ahead and reduce that oil significantly until you have enough to fry your stew. Slice some onions and go ahead and saute them into that beautiful flavored oil that we use to fry the chicken. Fry the onions for about a minute until your kitchen starts to smell amazing, and go ahead and add a heaped tablespoon of tomato paste. Follow that up with the tomato and pepper mixture that we reduced and fry down for about a good 3 minutes. Cover with a lid to simmer and go ahead and add your curry powder. At this point, the oil is going to rise to the surface. Now add that delicious chicken stock we saved from earlier and follow up with some wagashi. Cover and simmer for about 2 minutes before adding some more chili peppers and your fried chicken. Now this is time for the chicken and the stew to get to mingle and exchange flavors. So simmer for about 5 minutes and your stew is ready to enjoy. Serve your stew with your rice of choice. Today I have cooked some jasmine rice with vermicelli noodles. Eid Mubarak and Barka Sallah to you and your loved ones. I hope you enjoyed this year's Ramadan with Iti. I had such a good time sharing my favorite recipes with all of you.